What is going on, buddy? Dan Unfiltered, checking out In Flames. Sounds of a playground fading. It's kind of dark. It's kind of dark if you think about it. Maybe? Or they just mean like the kids are leaving the playground. Is that what they mean? Or they mean like everyone's like dying. Like Judgment Day style. Flames. Has no one seen T2 or is it just me? Am I old? No, I feel like no one watches movies from the 90s anymore. 90s movies are still awesome. Anyway, before I get derailed on 90s movies. Very easy for me to do. This comes from Patreon, Charles. Appreciate you, homie. Let's check out Sounds of a Playground Fading. Fucking hotkey, man. I keep forgetting to fix it. Ooh. Not many things in life beat the moment at a concert when the sheet falls. Damn. I can tell this is new-ish In Flames. Not new, but new-ish by his voice. Like, again, Anders' his voice has changed so fucking much. Not many singers' voices have changed and developed. He has really, like, mastered his tool. A lot of pause, but a lot of people, they'll have their success singing, and they'll just keep the same voice. That man could have just stayed the same. In Flames, I assume, were perfectly fine. This man just keeps developing. So this is clearly within the last decade, I would assume, of Flames. Around there. You can just tell the voice. It's around there. Oh. Woo! That song was far too easy for them. Like, far too easy. Like, that one, what? That was too easy. Like, sounded fantastic. That was a smash. I could easily listen to that again. That's a good song. But god damn, that seemed easy for them. Like, holy shit. Those are probably the shortest verses of any In Flame song I have ever heard. Like, the verses were just a couple bars. And then they go back into the chorus, which is a very strong chorus. But man, that song felt just simple to them. Like, they cranked that one out, shit, by a half hour in studio, real quick. That was an easy money one for them. That was, wow. Yeah, America, we gotta do more. We gotta have more than just Fear Factory, man. I would like to see, though, like, In Flames and Fear Factory ever do, like, a concert together? They ever tour together? That would be awesome. That would be sweet. That would be really sweet. Who's better? Who do you prefer? There, that's a better way of putting it. Who do you prefer? In Flames? Fear Factory? I'm trying to find, America gotta have somebody to fight back. And, like, Slipknot, Korn, cheating. Kind of a different genre than In Flames. You know what I mean? They're metal, but different kind of metal, different sound. While Fear Factory and In Flames, same type of metal, similar sound. Who do you prefer? Does America have a shot? I don't know. I really like Fear Factory, but I haven't heard enough compared to, like, In Flames. I've now heard a good bit. They have a lot of fucking good songs, like this one. That one felt like a throwaway to them. Like, that one was easy as hell to them. And it sounded phenomenal. But felt like that was just... Like they just ate that one for breakfast. That was an easy song for them. Damn. In Flames is a monster, man. They're really good. They're really good. Hit like, subscribe. I wonder if they did tour, though. It seems possible. Seems possible. Because they're definitely around the same time. In Flames is still around. I think Fear Factory is still around. I'm not 100% sure, but I think they are. So definitely could have toured. I would assume they have kind of similar fan bases. Yeah, one's Swedish, but who cares? It's in English, so it works just fine. I would love to see it. Hit like, subscribe, if you are still here. In Flames is so good. This one felt cheap. Like, that felt like cheating. That was an easy song to them. Bastards.